In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset TradingView settings with a full step-by-step guide. Whether you've made a mistake or you simply want a fresh start with default settings, this tutorial will walk you through the straightforward process in just a few steps. Let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your TradingView account and open a chart. This is the starting point for resetting your settings. You can choose any chart that you've been working on or even a new one. Once you have your chart open in front of you, the next step is to look for the settings icon. Typically, this icon is represented by a gear symbol and is conveniently located at the top right corner of your chart workspace. Clicking this will bring up the settings menu that we'll be working with. After opening the settings menu, direct your attention to the very bottom of this panel. Here you will find a drop-down box that is crucial for the next step in the resetting process. Clicking on this drop-down will reveal a variety of options, but for the purpose of resetting your settings, you'll want to focus specifically on the option labeled Apply Defaults. Now, when you click on Apply Defaults, what you're telling TradingView to do is to revert back to the original settings that come standard with the platform. This action will remove any customizations or adjustments that you've made to your viewing preferences, bringing everything back to a clean slate. It's a great way to clear out old configurations and start fresh. Once you've selected Apply Defaults, a confirmation dialog will appear on your screen. This is TradingView asking you to confirm your choice, since applying default settings can't be undone and will remove any personalized configurations you've set. Before finalizing this action, make sure that this is really what you want to do. If you're certain, the next step is to go ahead and click on OK in the confirmation dialog to proceed. And that's pretty much it. By following these steps, you've successfully reset your TradingView settings to their default state. This process is simple yet effective for those times when you want to start over or correct a misconfiguration. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so ensure that you've backed up any important configurations or templates before proceeding with the reset. I hope this guide has been helpful in walking you through the process of resetting your TradingView settings. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and